Ready? Start. These appeals filed against the common judgment dated 14/8/2018 of Bombay High Court, Nagpur bench raise the issues of seminal importance pertaining to a scheduled tribe, namely Gond Goari in the state of Maharashtra, included in the Constitution Scheduled Tribe Order 1950 as amended by Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Orders Amendment Act 1976 as applicable in the state of Maharashtra. The Bombay High Court wide judgment dated 14/8/2018 allowed 4 writ petitions, being writ petition number 4779 of 2008, writ petition number 4032 of 2009 and writ petition number 1680 of 2012. We may notice in brief the claim of the writ petitioners in the aforesaid writ petitions. The writ petitioner claimed to be an association working for the welfare of people belonging to Gond Goari community. The petitioner association had filed a writ petition quashing the caste validity certificate issued to respondent numbers 4 to 19 as scheduled tribe Gond Goari. Petitioner's case was that without conducting an inquiry, the caste validity certificate was issued. The petitioner's case further was that the validity certificate issued as Gond Goari scheduled tribe was wrongly issued, since the respondents belonged to Goari community and they did not belong to Gond Goari community. In the writ petition, the petitioner has prayed for quashing the caste validity certificates issued to respondent numbers 4 to 19. A further direction was sought that Caste Scrutiny Committee Nagpur not to issue caste validity certificate pertaining to Gond Goari scheduled tribe and the detailed inquiries be conducted. It was further prayed that Commissioner Tribal Research and Training Institute, Pune and Caste Scrutiny Committee, Nagpur be directed to conduct full-place inquiry in the relation of to Gond Goari and Goari entries. The petitioner association registered in 2004 claimed to be working in the field of betterment and welfare of members of people belonging to Goari community. In the writ petition, reference was made to the government resolution dated 24/4/1985, whereby the government issued guidelines for taking precautionary measures while issuing the tribe certificate. Along with the government resolution, a chart was issued containing a comparative study which relate to members of actual scheduled tribes and other castes having similar norm culture. The writ petition contains a detailed reference to a subsequent government resolution dated 15/6/1995, where under the government resolution of the state of Maharashtra, Goari was treated to be other backward community, a special backward class with 2% reservation. In the writ petition, validity of the government resolution dated 24/6/1985 prescribing the guidelines by way of affinity test to claim the Goari community was challenged. By notification dated 16/6/2011 issued by the Government of India, Goari community was included in the other backward class category from common central list in respect of the state of Maharashtra. The writ petitioner claimed that Goari community and its members have been included in entry number 18 of the Scheduled Tribes Order in relation to state of Maharashtra. The direction was sought to instruct the sub-divisional magistrate to issue the caste certificate to the persons belonging to Goari community as scheduled tribes